Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. YooHoo. And let me ask you something. How much are you currently paying for Netflix, Disney Plus, or Spotify, or any other streaming service? Guys, if you're anything like me, the costs add up fast. And before you know it, you're spending way too much just to watch your favorite shows and listen to music. But what if I told you there's a way to get the same premium subscriptions at a fraction of the price? Guys, I'm really excited today to show you how to unlock premium services at a massive discounts using GamsGo. A trusted platform that's been running for over 4 years, helping hundreds of thousands of users save money on their favorite streaming services. I'll walk you through the sign-up process, give you a full demo using Netflix, and show you why this is one of the smartest ways to save money, all still while enjoying the best entertainment. And I also have a link in the description below so you can sign up. And already guys, I've been using this for the last couple of months and I've already saved around $80. So it really is incredible and it does work really well. And also, if you want to join us, again, the link, and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification button to get our latest videos and giveaways. Now, how does GamsGo work? Well, think about it like carpooling, but for subscriptions. Instead of paying full price for services like Netflix, Disney Plus, or YouTube Premium, GamsGo lets you join a shared group plan at a much lower cost. For example, a Netflix Premium plan costs over $20 a month. If you subscribe directly, but through GamsGo, guess what, guys? It's only a few dollars. And the best part is it's completely legal because these premium plans are designed to be shared. Instead of dealing with the hassle of finding friends or family to split a plan with, GamsGo does it for you, giving you a private account, a secure login, and your own profile on a shared account. So guys, it's great. Now I want to do is jump in and do a demo to show you guys how easy it is to use. Now firstly, go in the description and click on the link in the description. It then takes you across to GamsGo. As you can see, it opens up all the subscription services straight away. You got things like Netflix, Disney Plus, HBO Max, YouTube Premium, Spotify, and more. For this demo, guys, I'm going to show you how to get to Netflix for way less than the regular price. As you can see there, click on Netflix, select the subscription length you want, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or even a full year. Now, the longer the subscription, the bigger the discount. Go in there, click purchase, sign up with your email, and choose a payment method. They accept Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and even Bitcoin. Once you complete the purchase, you'll get an instant email with login details. Now guys, just take those details, jump over to netflix.com and enter them. So as you can see, I've entered them in, press a button, and I'm in. I have full access to Netflix Premium Ultra HD. But instead of paying over $20, I'm only paying a few dollars a month. Now, as I said, I've saved around $80 at the moment. I use Disney, Netflix, Spotify, YouTube Premium, saved me a heap of money. Now, one of the biggest concerns I've heard is people not sure if it's safe and legit. Guys, I get it. Anything that sounds too good to be true raises eyebrows. But GamsGo is a trusted platform with over 4 years of proven service, more than 250,000 users, and 1.2 million successful orders. They also have a 24/7 customer support team ready to help with any issues, which I actually called, I test them out, and even a money-back guarantee if anything goes wrong. Plus, your account is secure, and you get your own private profile that you can access. A great thing with this is it's not just for Netflix as well. So I've used it with Disney Plus, HBO Max, YouTube Premium, and Spotify, and they all work. And basically you get 4 services for the price of 1. What does this mean, guys? More movies, more videos, more music, more enjoyment. And that's the kind of savings we're talking about. So remember to use my link in the description, and you can potentially get bigger discounts on your purchase. And if you refer a friend as well, you and your friend both get bonus subscription time for free. Guys, it's a win-win. Now, bottom line, guys, if you're tired of overpaying for streaming services, GamsGo is the best way to get premium access at a fraction of the cost. Safe, easy to use, saves money every month, and it's easy to set up. Use my link below to check it out and start enjoying premium content without the premium price tag. And guys, thanks for watching, and this is something I'm really, truly excited about. Being able to save money, is one big thing for all of us. So make sure you hit like button. Let me know if you use the service, if you want to save money, what your favorite streaming service is, and subscribe. And don't forget to enter the giveaway. Guys, I'll see you next video.